Welcome to World of Concrete 2018. Digga has a great booth here. We're expecting a lot of great customers. And we have a lot of new products to offer this year. I'll take a few minutes and walk around and show you our new broom, some of the features on the new broom, our MM10K, our new BoltOn Tooth auger, and we'll also review the trencher. So with that, let's go do it, Steve. Steve Riley is our salesperson in the Midwest. He covers a large geographical area. You had a lot of success selling these. What are some of the key features you're telling the customers when you're selling this product, Steve?
Well, the first one that I like to emphasize is our Head Start Crumber system. And this is designed as a spring-loaded system so that it's able to actually ease into the hole, and then it will scrape the bottom of the hole.
Oh, so you don't have to get out and do anything with it. You can stay in the machine and operate with this spring-loaded on it, right?
Exactly. And like I said, it eases into the hole, scrapes the bottom of the hole, and as it's doing that, this auger, we've actually added one extra flight of auger to this to push the spoils a little bit
away from the hole,
a little bit further from the hole, reduces the backfill in the hole that you're digging.
I have Bo Ellingson here, who is our resident expert on all the anchoring drives. And Bo, this is really designed for the anchoring market. What are the key features that you were trying to get through the design of this?
Yeah, absolutely, Steve. This is our MM10K anchor drive. It's been a great product, a big seller for us. It was specifically designed for helical, high torque, limited access applications, which is very common in residential foundation repair. As you notice, the overall profile is 24 inches from top to bottom, which is very good for a 8,000 foot-pound actual output torque.
One of the new products we have this year is the BoltOn Tooth augers. This is going to be offered in our A4 series or our lighter series, and we're going to have the full breadth of width, starting from a 6-inch to a 9-inch, all the way up to a 36-inch. The BoltOn Tooth is uniquely designed by our engineers in Australia, in that they have pockets here that allow the teeth to stay formed and stay close to where they're supposed to be. This allows great coverage on the bottom of your hole. We just recently hired Logan Pitts. Logan's a new engineer on board that had a big hand in designing this product for us. Logan, can you tell us some of the features about our product here? I know we make bucket brooms in Australia, but what are some of the differentiating features for the Americanized version of the bucket broom?
The main feature that we had to change was the wafer design. The European style has one solid core that the wafers are attached to, where the U.S. market demands a corrugated wafer system.
So these are all individual wafers on here?
Correct. And these specific wafers are 26 inches in diameter. These current ones are the poly. They also come in poly and wire, so it's a 50-50 combination. And the poly wire are very good for breaking up clumps and smashed dirt on the ground.
Let's talk a little bit about the open-face brooms. Open-face brooms are used primarily for rapid removal of debris when you can kick it off to the side. This unit will either angle manually or hydraulically 25 degrees, and it'll allow you to cast the material to the right or to the left. We've gone with a wafer-type brush. As you can see, they're 32-inch by 10-inch convoluted wafers, which does a better job of casting the debris to the side. The wafer-type construction allows for rapid replacement of your brush. On the motor side, which is a direct drive, we have 4 bolts that you take out. You can remove the motor, loosen the bearing on the one side, and drop the brush out for a rapid replacement.
And I do believe the motor is recessed over there, right, to prevent damage?
Yeah, we can't see it from this side, but the motor is recessed on the inside, has a special hex drive on the inside which allows for movement and keeps the motor from wearing out prematurely.